Everybody, how are you? I am Nurez and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you a different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classteacher.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is: a customer opened a file attachment and how her PC is infected with a ransomware. She unable to open any her files. Which actions would you take first? Reinstall the systems, run an antivirus, scans, pay the ransom to recover the data, disconnect the PC from the network, restore files from backup. The correct answer of the question is disconnect the PC from the network. So that the answer of the questions. If you are searching any other questions, please visit www.classteacher.com and find on the search sections. If you have any question to ask, there an ask session on the right side of the website. Fill the form and I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.